Hi guys, it's Millimetal Z here, and so we all know what this is, right? So these ones are kind of boring, so I thought I should get one of these. I'm hoping that it's what I think it is. It's time to find out. If it is what I think it is, I'm gonna be so happy. Oh, looks like it is. And yes, it is. It is a aluminium fidget cube. Spin the middle, you can spin the sides, spins for a long time, hold the sides, spin the middle bit. That's really cool. You can spin the side bits again. So I'll show you what it looks like now. And that is what this is. You can also, I try to take these out. There we go. So if I just put this down, you've got these two pieces here. And these just magnets that you put together. Take them out, and you just put these back in. If I can, let me try to put this in. Okay, yep. Then those back in, and then it's back to spinning. And that's all I've got to show today. When we hit 20 subscribers, a lucky subscriber will get a 3D print of their choice. And don't forget to share this video to friends, family, and everybody else you know. Bye!